Check you have all the front and back covers. Turn back the front cover. Connect round discs to the middle elastic straps. Connect steel hooks to the bottom elastic straps. Rear seat covers preparation. Pull down front cover through the headrest. Zip the zippers on the shoulder, both left and right sides. Stick them on the Velcro. Push the round discs into the gap. Hook the steel hooks underneath the base. Avoid electric wires. Install cushion for seat head. Clasp the plastic buckle. Install the other front seat the same way. Front finished. Insert the elastic straps into the seat gap. Raise the bench. Clasp the plastic buckle. Stick them on the Velcro. Push the round discs into the gap. Back seats finished. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the DIY.